Hello everyone. So welcome to Do I Do Digital. I hope everyone is doing great. सब लोग बहुत अच्छे से रह रहे हैं and as I promised you that we are going to touch all the topics of class 10. So today's topic is you can see this topic. You have made a idea. You must have made a blah 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 blah. No. हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू डू एडू डिजिटल. आई होप एवरीवन इज़ डूइंग ग्रेट. सब लोग बहुत अच्छे से रह रहे हैं एंड बहुत अच्छे से प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हैं क्लास 10th हाफ ईयरलीज की, फिर प्री बोर्ड्स की, एंड देन यू हैव योर बोर्ड्स एग्जामिनेशन ऑन. एंड सो टुडेज टॉपिक व्हाट वी गोना डू टुडे इज ह्यूमन सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम. वी गोना स्टार्ट दिस टॉपिक. सो लेट्स डू इट. Let's start this. So you can see this slide. We are going to talk about blood, we're going to talk about blood vessels, and we're going to talk about heart. So let me take a blank slide first and let us write the topic today, that is human circulatory system. Human circulatory system. So as the name indicates, we're going to talk about the circulation and what kind of circulation goes around in the human body, isn't it? So human circulatory system consists of three subparts, that is, let's write it, blood vessels, and then we're going to talk about human heart. फिर हम बात करेंगे हमारे अपने दिल के बारे में, isn't it? Human heart के बारे में. Clear हो गया? So first topic for the today's class is blood. Let us discuss blood. Blood देखेंगे एक बारी. So now you can see these are the blood cells you can see in the PPT. Composition of blood. So what is blood? बच्चे होता क्या blood? So let's write it. एक बारी हमने जो slide ली थी उसी पे लिखते हैं. Let's write blood. होता क्या है blood? Blood is the fluid connective tissue, isn't it? It's a fluid connective tissue. Yes, it consists of blood plasma, yeah, you can simply write plasma. It consists of plasma and it consists of blood cells, isn't it? Yes. कौन से cells हैं? They are also known as corpuscle. Corpuscles भी बोलते हैं इन्हें. How many types of cells? We know there are three types of cells: RBCs, WBC, and platelets. These are the three types of cells. Yes, everyone. बोलो मेरे साथ. RBCs, WBCs, and platelets. RBCs also known as, what is the another name of RBC? Let's write it. RBCs are also known as erythrocytes. Yes, everyone. WBCs are also known as leukocytes. Come on, people. Platelets are known as thrombocytes. Yes, class? Clear till here? यहाँ तक समझ में आ गया? These are the three types of blood cells that are present in the blood, right? When we talk about blood, कभी सोचा ये blood की formation कहाँ हो रही है, blood कहाँ produce हो रहा है, कहाँ बन रहा है हमारी body के अंदर? Blood is formed, नहीं सोचा? So let's think about it now. Blood कहाँ बनता है? Blood is formed in the red bone marrow. In the red bone marrow. Red bone marrow में बनता है. Where is this present? Right? Let's say अगर ये हमने एक फीमर, what is femur? It is the longest bone in a body. थाई बोन को बोलते हैं फीमर, isn't it? फीमर के एजेस पे बनेगा आपका ब्लड. कहाँ बनेगा? एजेस पे, राइट? सो ब्लड इज फॉर्म्ड, आई कैन राइट हियर, blood is formed in the epiphysis. Where it is formed? In the epiphysis. Epiphysis, right? What is epiphysis? It is the periphery. Periphery में बनेगा blood, isn't it? Periphery of the bone, right? Bone की periphery edges में बनेगा. By the process known as, and the process is known as hemopoiesis. क्या बोलते हैं इस process को? Hemopoiesis. What is the process of formation of blood is known as hemopoiesis. And where does hemopoiesis takes place? In the epiphysis, bone की periphery में. Clear हो गई यहाँ तक information? Done. And blood consists of two parts, two constituents, plasma and blood cells. Plasma, what is plasma? It is 90%. What does plasma contains? It is 90% water and 10% organic and inorganic salts. Right? Organic and inorganic salts. Now अगर मैं summarize करूँ कि organic और inorganic salts क्या है? Let's summarize it. Organic मतलब it has something called as it will have vitamins in it, it will have proteins in it, isn't it? It will have hormones in it. तो ये सारे organic part हो गए, yes or no? Creatinine in it, isn't it? So inorganic means the salts like sodium salts, potassium ions, chlorine. These will be the ions that will be present. So clear हो गई picture. What is the topic today? Blood. कहाँ बनता है blood? The process is known as hemopoiesis. कहाँ बनता है blood? In the epiphysis. At the embryological stage. At the embryological stage, where is blood formed? Embryological stage में बनता है in the yolk sac. Okay? Then even in the liver, और अगर liver options में नहीं है तो you can also mark spleen. सो ब्लड की फॉर्मेशन हो गई, हेमोपोइसिस हो गई. ब्लड के कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट्स क्या हैं? ब्लड के कॉम्पोनेंट्स क्या हैं? ब्लड कंसिस्ट ऑफ 2 कॉम्पोनेंट्स, प्लाज्मा एंड ब्लड सेल्स. प्लाज्मा इज 90% पानी, 90% वाटर, यस, एंड 10% ऑर्गेनिक एंड इनऑर्गेनिक सॉल्ट्स. जो आपके एंडोक्राइन ग्लैंड्स होते हैं जैसे टेस्टोस्टेरोन, थायरॉक्सिन, मेलाटोनिन, जितने भी आपके एंटी डायरेटिक हार्मोन, ग्रोथ हार्मोन, जितने भी एंड्रेनल ग्लैंड, जितने भी आपके एंडोक्राइन हार्मोन्स हैं, they will be present in the blood. We know it. Proteins and vitamins will also be present in the blood. Yes, and clear हो गया. And these are the 3 types of blood cells: RBCs, WBCs and platelets. Clear हो गया. Now let's see हमारी slide क्या कहती है. What is the composition of blood? Now you can read this. Blood is responsible for transporting gas. So ये कौन सी gases है? Oxygen है, carbon dioxide है. We will see it later on when we'll talk about each blood cell separately.